Hi friends, welcome back to another awesome episode of Setswana Semonate. It's your one and only favorite person, Kumo. Today we will be talking about the seasons of the year.
Dumelang ditsala, re le amogela mo Setswana Semonate. Leina la me ke Motheo. Gompieno re tlile go buisana ka ditlha tsa ngwaga. A re simoleng.
First comes summer, then it's autumn, then it's winter. Last but not least, spring. Motheo, let us say them in Setswana. Summer,
Selemo,
autumn,
letlhafula,
winter,
mariga,
spring.
dikgakologo.
Friends, did you know that each season has 3 months? And we will be saying those months in Setswana.
Dikgwedi tsa selemo.
Sedimonthole, Ferikgong, Tlhakole.
Dikgwedi tsa letlhafula. Mopitlwe, Moranang, Motsheganong. Dikgwedi tsa mariga.
Seetebosigo, Phukwi, Phatwe.
Dikgwedi tsa dikgakologo. Lwetse, Diphalane, Ngwanatsele. It's quiz time! It's quiz time! It's quiz time! Friends, this is the part where we try to figure out how many of the seasons you remember in Setswana. We would also like to see how many of the months you remember in each season.
Summer,
Selemo,
the month.
Sedimonthole, Ferikgong, Tlhakole.
Autumn,
Letlhafula,
the month.
Mopitlwe, Moranang, Motsheganong.
Winter,
Mariga,
the month.
Seetebosigo, Phukwi, Phatwe.
Spring,
Dikgakologo,
the month.
Lwetse, Diphalane, Ngwanatsele.
And that's the end of our video. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Please stay tuned for more awesome episodes of Setswana Semonate.
Bye friends!
Salang sentle ditsala.